Hi everyone, it is March 8th, 2024, and what I have here, guys, is something that I kind of upgraded, right? I upgraded, let me just take off my label, because I don't want to dox myself, right? Take off my shipping fee. But what I have here, guys, is it's an upgrade from these. And I'll explain why I got these. Now, I got these a couple of months ago because my old Bluetooth headphones cracked, right? I had really good Bluetooth headphones that had 1 hour battery life, and somehow, some way, they cracked. I might have had them in my carry-on during my vacation, and I might have stepped on it by accident. Who knows? But I replaced them with this headphone, the Polini headphones. So I think these were like $30 or $40. But the problem I had was I recently, I quickly found out that these are not 100-hour headphones. They're 40-hour headphones. And that may seem fine for many people, but I use these on a daily basis, right? I could use these for 5, 6 hours a day and just listening to podcasts. So what I did is I upgraded to 100-hour headphones. You know, being I made the mistake. I really wanted these to be 100 hours, and they weren't. But I got these for a really good price, and I'm going to show you them in a minute. These I got for $30. They were originally like $40, and I got them for $30. Amazon was having a good sale, and I looked at the reviews, and the reviews looked really good. You know, they're not the best headphones, but they're 100-hour, and they're Bluetooth, and they look pretty good. So I'll show you them. This is the box. I'll show you. That's the box, if you can see that there. That's the box. So I'll open it up. I'll let you know. I'll let you know what they look like, what they feel like. I don't know if I'm going to hook them up right now. So that's the front of it. It says ANC active noise canceling, hands-free calling. I'm not going to be using it with the phone. Foldable, durable headband, H3. The H3. So let's open it up and see what we get. According to what I saw, it comes with a really cool leather bag. Or leather type bag, anyway. I'm sure it's not real leather. Leatherette, right? For $30, I don't think they're going to give you a leather bag. Okay, so on the back it says, let me read the back. H3, Bluetooth versions 5.3, 40 millimeter speaker, right? I think that's the bigger the speaker, of course, the better the sound. A battery charge time is up to 2 hours, right? Which is pretty fast. And it's supposed to give you a 100-hour battery life, so what's in the box? I can't even read this. My eyesight is so messed up. You got the headphones, the wire for if you want to hook this up wired. You can hook it up to wired. Of course, the USB charging thing and the case. So let's see what we get. Oh, they just come with a bag. Awesome. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. So over here we get the two things I just told you about. One of them is if you want it to be used as a this one you want to be used as a wired one. So you'd hook this up to, let's say, the 3.5 millimeter jack, let's say to your phone. Well, only phones don't have 3.5 millimeter jacks anymore. But let's say your laptop, right? Your laptop, and then you hook the other one up to the. I'm probably not going to use this. This is just the 3.5 millimeter. If you don't want it wireless, and then this one, of course, is the charging cable. Nothing much to see. And I just want to see. Oh, it's is this USB? I mean, it's USB on one end, right? This USB. There's USB on one end, but this one is old. So this is USB-C. I like this one. It's more durable. USB-C on the other end. Okay. So that's the cable they give you. And then here, oh, it's a nice bag. I don't know if it's leather. It's like thin, you know. It's nice. I don't know if it's leather. You know, it's leather feel. Very nice. I'll keep the bag, if anything. Right? Keep the bag. It's a very nice bag. Very nice feel. Leather type material, I'm guessing. Leather type material. I'm not exactly sure what type of material that is. Feels very nice. It's not cheap. You know what I mean? It's not like a cheap plastic. Very nice feel. I don't know if it'll last very long. It'll probably start peeling, you know. And here are the headphones, so let's see how comfortable these are. And then I'll charge them up, of course, and let you know what they feel like. And I'll put them on my head now. So it's golden black. I thought that was a nice look. Golden black. I don't know if you guys can see that. Golden black. These come out like so. Okay, there you go. They turn. Oh, very nice. Very nice. These feel very comfortable. Very comfortable. Okay, let me see how they are on the head. It feels like, so this is the right one. This is the left one. Oh, these feel fine. Yeah. They feel fine. I could feel like I could wear these for a long time. You know, I guess it depends on how big your head is. So this is the right one. What if you feel to the other way? No, it doesn't fit. You can feel it doesn't feel right. Right? So yeah, these they work back and forth. You can turn them a little bit this way and that way. Yeah, they're fine. They feel fine. Very comfortable. Unless you have, I guess, a big head. So here, these are very, very good. These are very, very soft. The cushions over here, very, very soft, like a leather material. And this, maybe the other ones that I had are just a bit softer. Or a bit thicker, I should say. This material, the old ones, are just a little bit thicker. But this is like a little bit, yeah, this is a little bit less thick. But I'm sure they'll be fine. And, yeah, I'm very happy with them. So there they go. That's the thing. And it comes with a power button. You know, I'll check it out. I have to charge them up, of course, I think. On-off switch over here. An on-off switch, a power button, a volume control button, up and down. Pretty easy. So I'll let you know what these sound like once I do that. But yeah, very good. So I gotta charge these up now. So that was the unboxing. Let me throw this out because I'm sure I don't need it. Throw this crap out. Kept all the crap I had, and I had to do boxes today. Yeah, this comes the instruction manual, but I know you don't really need it. You don't really need the instruction manual, honestly. I'll keep it just in case I have some problem, but I doubt I'll have any problem. Okay, guys, so that's the unboxing of the thing. I'm going to put this inside the pouch and put this in my closet, because I'm sure I'm not going to use the 3.5 millimeter plug. And this one I'll need. This one I can throw away. This I can throw away. Tonight is garbage night, by the way. And I'm going to have some dinner. I'm going to have some dinner. I don't know what I'm making yet. Okay, guys. I'll catch you later. Don't want to bore you with all the crap. I'll just wanted to show you I got the new 100-hour headphones in. And I'll probably put these upstairs. I'll put these upstairs. I'll keep these down here because I'm way down here way more often than I am upstairs. Okay, guys. Catch you later. Take it easy. Be well. Give me a thumbs up if you think that's a pretty good purchase. I needed 100 hours, not 40 hours. Bye for now.